Ladies and gentlemen, on Nation Wants to Know this week, it is my pleasure to have somebody in the studio. I've been waiting for this interview for 1 year, and for 1 year I've been sending him WhatsApps and SMSs and emails, and somehow never figured out, but I'm really happy to have with me the stellar, completely controversial, unputdownable Bollywood superstar on the Nation Wants to Know, Rishi Kapoor. It's a pleasure.
Hi Arnab.
Good to see you. It's been a long way.
1 year, you will complete 1 year in the coming 3 days. So
That's
you haven't been chasing me for 1 year.
I have been chasing you for 1 year and 4 months.
Okay.
To be precise. You
well,
know,
actually, the first anniversary of Republic in another 3 days' time.
When I quit my last job, one of my first SMSs was to you, and I have put myself in the queue for an interview for a long time. I wonder why it was so difficult.
I don't know. It's never, you never have to put yourself in a queue. I'm always available for you, you know that. But there should be an occasion for coming. You know, there a reason होना चाहिए कि मैं इस वजह से आया हूँ. एक वजह होनी चाहिए.
वो तो है. But I'm beginning to get worried. If you are so polite through the course of the interview, that I don't know what to do.
Don't rub me the other way then.
Well, I'm ready to. But anyway, to start with, you know, your newly released film, 102 Not Out, where you are playing a 75-year-old.
Yep.
And Amitabh Bachchan is playing a 102-year-old.
Yes.
Right. And you're both very strong personalities.
Well,
How does it work?
Well, we are actors and we are doing our respective jobs. और वो मेरे पिता बने हुए हैं, मैं उनका बेटा बना हूँ. वो 102 साल के हैं, मैं 75 साल का हूँ. और हमारे दोनों जो दृष्टि है, हमारी सोचने की दृष्टि जो है, बहुत अलग-अलग है. And उससे ज़्यादा अगर कहूँगा, then I'll reveal a lot about the plot.
No, but when two powerful personalities are together, there must be a battle for space.
No.
You're also very good actors.
We are disciplined people. We work by the book. We don't, you know, do anything that's unnecessarily not wanted. And हमने अपनी
bit of competition between both.
But I'm no competition with Mr. Bachchan, you know. And we made a nice film. You see, हम दोनों की जोड़ी हर बार लोगों ने उसे बहुत सराहा है. हमने इससे पहले 5 पिक्चरों में काम किया है. कभी कभी, अमर अकबर एंथनी, नसीब, कूली, अजूबा, और अब है 102 नॉट आउट. और मैं ऐसा सोचता हूँ कि कभी कभी में तो वो मेरे स्टेप फादर इन लॉ बने थे, लेकिन अमर अकबर एंथनी में हम भाई थे, नसीब में हम भाई थे, और कूली में हम दोस्त थे. और अब हम बाप बेटा का रोल रिस्पेक्टिवली प्ले कर रहे हैं. तो एक डिफरेंट रिलेशनशिप हमने कायम की हर एक अलग पिक्चर में. और मुझे बड़ी खुशी होती है ये कहने में कि मुझे जब भी अमिताभ बच्चन साहब के साथ काम करो, एक स्पेशल फीलिंग होती है. एक हल्की सी एक एक्साइटमेंट होती है, और एक बहुत मज़ा आता है कि यू नो व्हेन यू स्पार इन अ फिल्म, इट्स सो लवली एंड यू गेट टू लर्न सो मच. आप कितना सीखते हैं. मैंने इस बार ये सीखा अमिताभ बच्चन से कि वो किस तरह से वो अपने रोल में एक्चुअली घुसते हैं, किस तरह से वो फ्लर्ट करके रोल में अपने घुसते हैं. और ये मेरे लिए नई बात थी, मेरी सीखने की बात थी. हम अपने आप को स्टूडेंट ऑफ सिनेमा मानते हैं, और ऐसे ही तो हम सीखते हैं. हम अपने जूनियर से कभी सीखते हैं, कभी हम सीनियर से सीखते हैं. तो ये बहुत अच्छी एक बात रही मेरे उनके साथ काम.
नो डाउट अबाउट दैट. मगर ये जो है, आपने इन जनवरी लास्ट ईयर एक एक्सर्प्ट लिखा था, दैट वाज देयर वाज अ रिपोर्ट ऑफ योर बायोग्राफी खुल्लम खुल्ला, एंड यू रोट अबाउट अमिताभ बच्चन, एंड यू सेड ही इज नॉट ऑलवेज इन द हैबिट ऑफ गिविंग ड्यू क्रेडिट टू द एक्टर्स हु हैव वर्कड विद हिम.
जी.
एंड यू रोट, आपने लिखा, he has always credited his directors and his writers.
Correct.
Salim Javed, Manmohan Desai, Prakash Mehra, Yash Chopra, and Ramesh Sippy. But it is also true
जी.
that his co-stars had an undeniable role in his success.
Yes.
Now, please explain that. And if that is your opinion, then why do you choose
opinion
to
नहीं, मैंने एक ऑब्जर्वेशन है मेरी. आई हैव ग्रेट रिस्पेक्ट एंड यू नो लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट फॉर मिस्टर अमिताभ बच्चन. मेरा एक सोचना था कि पुराने ज़माने में कभी दिलीप कुमार, राज कपूर और देवानंद ने एक पिक्चर में कभी काम नहीं किया था, और ना ही इस ज़माने में कभी शाहरुख खान, सलमान खान और आमिर खान ने पिक्चर में काम किया है. लेकिन जिस ज़माने में हम काम करते थे, उस वक्त डबल हीरो, ट्रिपल हीरो, चार हीरो की एक रोल था.
बिल्कुल.
इसमें कोई शक नहीं है कि अमिताभ बच्चन साहब बहुत बेहतरीन किस्म के एक्टर हैं, और यकीनन उन जो फिल्म में काम करते थे मेन रोल उनका होता था. तो ये दौर ऐसा था कि हम सब एक्टर डबल हीरो, ट्रिपल हीरो, 4 हीरो में काम करते थे. और बच्चन साहब का ऐसा था, चूंकि वो इतनी बड़ी हस्ती थी, तो एक 100 मीटर की रेस पे वो उनको 50 मीटर का एक क्या कहते हैं हैंडीकैप मिलता था, आगे का हैंडीकैप. और हमको 0 से लेकिन 100 पकड़ना पड़ता था, वो 50 से लेकर 100 पकड़ते, बिकॉज मेन रोल उनके लिए लिखा जाता था. राइटर उनके लिए लिखते थे, डायरेक्टर उनके थे, यकीनन वो सबसे बड़े स्टार थे उस वक्त के. तो हम एक्टरों ने, चूंकि उस वक्त एक रिवाज था कि हमने सब ने एक पिक्चर में दो डबल हीरो ट्रिपल हो तो काम किए तो हम करते थे। इसमें कोई ईगो वाली बात नहीं थी, इसमें कोई हम अपने आप सोच के हम एक्सेप्ट करते थे वो रोल। तो इस लिहाज से मैंने कहा था कि जितने हम तमाम एक्टर्स थे उस दौर में हमने विलिंगली काम किया था, एंड ही हैड द फुल सपोर्ट ऑफ अस व्हेन ही न्यू दैट ही हैज द मेन।
But you said he didn't give credit.
Well, I'm coming to it. That he, when I say did not give credit, because he has mentioned Salim Javed, he's mentioned his other writers, other directors. तो मेरा एक ऑब्जर्वेशन था, क्रेडिट दिए या नहीं दे वो वाली बात नहीं है, लेकिन मैं सोचता हूँ, मेरा ऐसा सोचना है कि उनको भी ज़रूर अपने ऐसे सह कलाकारों के बारे में कहना चाहिए जो उनकी क्या है कि अमिताभ बच्चन साहब वो सीढ़ी चढ़ रहे थे और हम वो सीढ़ी के वो जो क्या बोलते हैं रंग्स होते हैं, रंग्स,
you were the steps.
Yeah, we were the steps, thinking that,
Were you the steps he was climbing on?
Not me. I'm talking the all collectively the Indian film industry, because we knew he's got the main role. We knew that he's got the backing of the writers. So इस वजह से मैंने कहा कि I think he should also do that. Now this was asked by some journalist to me,
Yeah.
Why so? And this was my observation. I thought should be shared.
Yeah.
Because there is definitely
Do you
no
sometimes
two
think
ways.
when things like this happen that you should be more politically correct?
Like how?
Like diplomatic?
Why? It's an observation which I think is not derogatory. मैं किसी को नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा रहा ये कहकर, मेरा एक ऑब्जर्वेशन था कि सर हम लोग भी आपके साथ थे। जैसे मैंने कहा कि कभी भी दिलीप
ये
कुमार
खुलकर बोलने की आदत
जी
क्या कभी जाएगी? It's been there for a long time. Is it
इसमें कोई खराब बात है?
अच्छी
तुम भी तो खुल के बात करते हो, इतना चिल्लाते हो, तुमको चिल्लाने देते, खुद चिल्लाता, मुझे बोल रहे हो कि मैं खुल के बात करते हो यार।
मगर मैं ट्विटर पे नहीं चिल्लाता।
हाँ तो तुम टीवी पर चिल्लाते हो।
आप ट्विटर पे देखिए, मैं I tell you one thing, compared to you, I am nothing.
अरे यार
No, neither in achievement or in stature. So please don't compare and embarrass me. Question is, आप जिस तरह से बोलते हैं, अब now look at the way you speak. Mr. Kapoor, in the past you have said, मैं वो करूंगा जो लिखूंगा, जो मेरा मन चलेगा. I have freedom of expression. This is a democracy. I can say what I want and I feel. But, now this is a big but. Rishi Kapoor, your freedom of expression does not allow you to abuse others. Before I get to the specifics, let me ask you. Let me ask you straight. Do you sometimes regret the language you use, what you say? Especially on social media, people say I have 3 women shared screenshots. They said Rishi Kapoor abused us. Do you abuse people?
Why do you give reason to do that? पर खैर जो आपने कहा आप सही कह रहे हैं।
Do you do that?
नो कहा होगा इसमें कई बार, दूसरे लोग भी करते हैं, चूँकि मैं एक सेलिब्रिटी हूँ तो मेरे पे उंगली उठाई जा रही है। बट एक जैसे कि इफ़ यू आर मेच्योर इनफ टू बी ऑन अ सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म लाइक ट्विटर, तो आपको यू शुड बी रेडी फॉर ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ थिंग्स टू हैपन ऑन दैट। आई गेट ट्रोल्ड, आई गेट अब्यूज्ड, I get screamed all about. People climb on my back. They do me all things, but I'm not complaining.
But you're Rishi Kapoor.
So what? I'm not complaining. I'm also as human as you.
But you're Rishi
Your
Kapoor.
democracy is as good as my democracy.
Yeah, but you're Rishi Kapoor.
You're all the more reason. So
but you say, I have read your justification. You say it was to the tune of, you can't come to me and abuse me. If you
why did you rile me? You rubbed me the wrong way. No, you. I mean
that person there.
Yeah.
So you said, if you do that, I will not leave you. I will abuse you. No, that's right. No, one second. Let me complete. I knew this will happen, you see. I will abuse you and then I will block you. Now, come on. That's completely unilateral. I will abuse you and then I will block you.
Correct.
And people, you have abused women on private
No,
chats.
I don't think I have. But if I have, I'm sorry about that. It must have been generalized. But basically क्या होता है ये ट्रोलिंग में जब वो करते हैं तो कोई बोलता नहीं, अगर मैं करता हूँ तो मेरा big news about it.
No, but the language, an unmentionable word starting with F.
Language.
An unmentionable word starting with F.
No, the word F is in bloody everyday language today. Let's face it. You don't know. Have you heard that Pune wala Baba? What's his name? That what is the name? That Pune Baba, the Swami who was in Pune, he died.
Rajneesh.
Rajneesh. Haven't you heard his discourse on the F word? How you use it? So, like today, F word is not to be taken very seriously. Kids are using it. Yeah,
but you're Rishi Kapoor. You're not Rishi.
I don't care. I don't have qualms about being Rishi Kapoor.
So you don't mind using the F word?
No, nothing wrong in it. Nothing. So many people talk to me also that way. हमारी पिक्चरों में कितना हमारा अब एक पिक्चर देखिए आ रही है उसमें तो कितना कॉमन है F word फिल्म में.
No, but I can't even begin to read this language.
मत करो. Next topic.
No, you have the right to be upset. You have the right to abuse, but that doesn't give. You see, you're a man of stature. You are a man of stature. You can't use the F word on a public platform.
No, I can. Who made the rules? Where is it written I can't use the word F?
Now, isn't it true that when a woman confronted you over your abuse on Twitter, saying just cause you are a celebrity, you can't abuse people, mind it, and then you DM'd her a sentence full of sexist expletives? You use the F word.
Yeah.
No. You use the F word and you use the B word. I'm not saying it. I'm asking you, is it appropriate for a man like you have a celebrity status, you have stature, to hurl abuses at anyone who disagrees with you?
अभी जितने भी alphabetical words आप बोल लो, अभी हो गया सो हो गया,
नहीं,
वो
but
जोश में कर लिया,
जोश में?
हाँ जोश में कर लिया, हो गया और क्या? इसे तो मैं I'm different than the others. मैं कभी करता नहीं हूँ तो I'm off Twitter with the last 23 days.
You use the B word with women?
Well, I don't know if it's a woman or not.
Of course,
I know
it's a
why.
woman. The name was a woman.
Well, there are so many, what should I say, impersonators who call themselves. I know so many guys who flirt with me and they are men. Excuse me. And they have their persona named after a girl. So, that's all this happened. Anyway, let's start it right from the beginning.
You regret it?
Well, I don't
You want to apologize to all women today?
No, hang on. Why are you jumping the gun here?
Right.
I just want to say that I take Twitter as a very, it's a fun place. And we get into arguments.
Is it fun to use the F word and the B word?
Hang on, yeah. Just let me come to your topic. Repeating it again. I treat it as fun, and I expect the other person also to react in the same way. I may agree that it should not.
Would you take it as fun if someone were to use the F word and B
They
word
do.
and XYZ word with you?
They do.
Yeah, you would?
They do. मैंने तो कभी नहीं कहा कि मत करिए.
You abuse a woman over DM because she said
What is
it's
the DM?
not funny. DM is a direct message. Of course, you know what a DM is.
No, I didn't know. But you say direct message, I know what it is.
She tweeted not funny to your post. You put out a post comparing Beyonce to a vase.
Correct.
1 minute. No,
That's it. That's it. Now I know.
No. 1 minute. You put out a post comparing Beyonce to a vase. She said not funny, and you replied saying actually you're right. Your face is funnier. You said that. Actually,
How
you're
do
right.
I see her face? मैंने उनकी शक्ल कैसे देखी?
But I don't know. You put it out. It's your.
I don't know why
It says your face is funny.
And what is
why did
wrong?
you make a personal remark on
You
a
see,
woman?
I saw a vase which looked very much like this woman who was dressed in such a manner, and was just.
Somebody said not funny. Why would you abuse the person on how they look?
I didn't know. I don't know if I said that or not. I can't remember that.
You can't get away by saying you're not going to remember.
Well, if I don't remember, I don't remember.
Like behaving like Donald Trump, I don't remember what I tweeted last night.
I wish I was Donald Trump then,
No, but let's be straight. Your freedom of expression, your intolerance is playing out on a public platform. You're intolerant to criticism.
अरे यार छोड़ो ना बात. तुमको नहीं पसंद, मुझे कट कर दो ना. Don't follow me. बात ही खत्म. Whoever has this problem, you cut me out, delete me, आगे बढ़ो.
You're not going to change.
No, I will not. I am what I am. जो हूँ सो हूँ, take it or leave it. और जब नहीं होगा तो you'll regret it.
So you'll keep abusing.
Well, if you give me the if you prod me, then I might just get angry.
What is it required to prod you?
No, I don't know what it is.
What is it that provokes you?
Sometimes trying to tell me what I should be doing. Sometimes trying to tell me your spelling is wrong. Something that it's okay, yaar. We're doing this as fun and we're interacting with friends and our fans and everything. So you should take it with a pinch of salt.
Do people tell you to stop it?
No.
Does your family tell you to stop it?
Always. My wife is always fighting with me.
What does she say?
What she says, stop this Twitter bit. There was a tweet I did which was unintentional, and they went and stormed my house. And of course, I was right in my own way. And they had people from a different political party. They went and stormed my house. They came there. The police was there all the time. They had to, resort to my protection. Not that I did anything wrong. Not that I think I did anything wrong. But ऐसे था.
No, I don't think you need to be stoned for criticizing
a
political party. But
exactly.
At the same time, I can't believe what you just said. You said you're going to keep using the F word. You're going to keep using the B word.
I didn't say that.
You repeatedly use it again and again.
I didn't say that.
I can't think of anyone else in your whole industry who would say this.
I didn't say that.
Why do you say these things?
I will use the colorful language and not sound as a despo. I will not sound very bad to you. बट इट्स ऑल इन फन. अगर आपको तकलीफ है कि आप मैं गलत कर रहा हूँ तो आप मुझे डिलीट कर दीजिए ना, सिंपल है दैट. कितने लोगों ने मुझे डिलीट किया, मुझे बोल के भी कि आप यू डोंट लाइक मी, डिलीट मी, आई एम द वे आई एम. मेरे कितने दोस्त हैं, आप तो मुझे खराब वाले बात कर रहे हैं. मेरे इतने दोस्त हैं.
I think you're doing it because you think it works.
No, it doesn't. How will it work?
It works.
How will it work?
The more outrageous you are on social media, the more followers you have.
You think I'm that sure?
If you were a dull, 1 minute, if you were a dull, let there be peace in the world kind of personality.
Oh, I'm not that.
People wouldn't. No.
Oh, I'm not that.
So you know it works.
I have a very,
it works for you.
I have a very aggressive nature, and when we talk right now, also I'm an aggression with you. You know, well, that's the way I am. I'm a very excitable person, very aggressive. I have this very, I can mince words and get away here and there. But to be honest, that's the way I am. अगर आपको नहीं पसंद मैं जिस किस्म का आदमी हूँ, आप मुझे मत फॉलो कीजिए ना.
So your basic thing is take it or leave it. This is the way I am. I'll keep abusing people.
I would think yes.
And you enjoy this. I can't believe. Amitabh Bachchan is so politically correct.
That's why he's Mr. Bachchan. I'm not. Well, I should. Well, when I said that my.
No, you know what I'm asking. No, one second. There are two ways, right? One is be nice to the whole world, right? From Rishi Kapoor to.
No, I can't be that. I can't be sugary sweet, please. I am the way I am.
What is sugary sweet?
Like I just can't be, politically correct as you keep saying. I can't be,
So to be polite is to be politically correct.
Well, polite is not exactly the thing. I just want to.
The F word and the B word is to be.
यार तू पीछे ही पड़ गया F word B word यार तू alphabets के पीछे ही पड़ गया तू यार.
No, मैं पीछे इसलिए पड़ा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे आज तक I have never met a person who is as unapologetic about.
तो इसलिए तो मैं आपके शो पे हूँ. अगर ऐसा कोई आम होता तो थोड़ी आप बुलाते मुझे.
That's true. You're not boring. You're not boring. But is it about publicity also?
What do I need publicity in Twitter यार? You are known by your own work. अब मैं अगर मेरा काम खराब होगा तो ये कोई जो मेरे फैंस हैं और फ्रेंड्स हैं वो भी नहीं होंगे.
No, but this filthy abuse that you use.
Again, you're back to that. You're like a stuck record,
Verbal abuse, filthy abuse.
Okay.
It's borderline harassment, no?
Well, I don't complain. लोग जब मुझे गालियाँ देते तो मैं थोड़ी आप पे शिकायत करता हूँ कि देखो ये क्या कर रहा है क्या नहीं कर रहा है. मैं तो चुप बैठा रहता हूँ. And some people, they like me to be that way. They like me to be honest.
You're playing to the gallery.
I'm not playing to the gallery. They like me to be what I am.
So what happens at home when you're told that, please stop this? Because it must be embarrassing.
Yes.
Because I know
yes,
absolutely.
Then I cool off.
I'm not saying she's politically correct, but she's, she's so proper in her expression. And so is Ranbir. See, one minute. So you like a standout, you're outlier also, not just in the industry, in your family. So how does it work?
I know. Then I cool off for the next couple of days, and I don't see Twitter. I don't. Actually, Twitter excites me a lot. A lot of these questions come to me, they describe me, and that's why I react such.
Can I ask you a few other straight questions? Since you're in a mood to talk about it.
Sure.
Why do you take an anti-India line?
What do you mean?
Anti-India line.
Like how?
Like, you keep saying things like, give Pakistan occupied Kashmir to the Pakistanis.
Listen, that was spoken out of context.
No, what is out of context?
I'll tell you.
No, I'm sorry. You tweeted last November. It's not innocent. JNK is ours and POK is theirs. With what facts at your command do you say that,
अरे कब तक एक दूसरे को मारते रहोगे यार? आज हो गए 70 साल हमारी इंडिपेंडेंस को. मैं हो गया 66 का. कब तक मैंने जीना है? कि मेरे पूरे जीवन में मुझे कभी जिंदगी में नहीं देखना पाकिस्तान. कभी मैं उस मैं जा नहीं सकता जहाँ मेरे एक मिनट जहाँ मैं एक मिनट
कौन रोक रहा है? Nobody's stopping you.
जहाँ मेरे बड़े लोग जो मेरे फैमिली के बाप दादा पैदा हुए, क्या मैं उस सरजमीन को देख नहीं सकता?
किसने
What is this? अगर सुनिए अभी मेरी बात, अगर हमारे जीवन में अगर हम बर्लिन वॉल को गिरते हुए देख सकते हैं, एपार्थाइड को एबॉलिश हुए देख सकते हैं साउथ अफ्रीका में, आप चीन को फ्रॉम कम्युनिज्म दे हैव एम्ब्रेस्ड डेमोक्रेसी वो देख सकते हैं. अगर आप अभी नॉर्थ कोरिया और साउथ कोरिया का मिलन देख सकते हैं, तो क्या हम अपने आप और पाकिस्तान के हम अपने प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते? वी आर ऑल द टाइम. कितने आप सोल्जर्स को मारोगे? कितने बॉडी बैग्स भेजोगे? ये तो मैं जब बच्चा था तब से मैं देख रहा हूँ. मैं INS अश्विनी जाता था, मैं बच्चा था स्कूल में, और मैं जाता था 1961 की वॉर में, whichever war there was, I can't remember the year, for going serving the soldiers in school. We don't want people to keep dying. We want to sort out. Listen, we are all, there's two generations which have lost out and not going to each other's country. Why should
I
we
haven't
not
lost
sort
out
it out?
anything.
I have. You may have not
lost out anything.
No, I have my parents coming from that land.
That's your problem.
But I'm voicing my problem, not your
That's
problem.
your problem.
I have tweeted that, not you.
No, but that's your problem.
That is my problem.
Why should you make that line?
Because I feel so.
What about an 8-year-old child?
feel
One minute. What about an 8-year-old child who is in a hospital, fighting for his life because a Pakistani-sponsored pelter threw a stone at him while
now
going to
you're
school?
talking about 2 days back.
Yeah, why
I'm
not?
talking about, when was my,
Do you want
my
me to tell you
tweet
about
was
2
in
days back or
November.
20 days
My
back?
tweet was in November.
Why do you say
so
that?
you will have these kind of incidents happening.
Why do you compromise an Indian
You
interest?
have to sort out your problems.
You have no responsibility
I said to him
towards
that
your
if
own
there is
country.
going to be, if he marks the LOC,
Yeah.
that they be out of borders, finished.
Yeah, who decides that?
This is what I'm saying.
So you
I'm
go
voicing,
against the Constitution
I'm voicing.
of
I'm
India.
not going against. I'm just
You go
voicing my
against the
opinion.
Parliament of India.
I'm voicing what Sheikh Abdullah said.
You take responsibility?
I don't take responsibility.
You take
I
responsibility.
miss it. I miss the...
Farooq Abdullah's
Not
line is the
Farooq,
most
yeah,
ridiculous line I've ever heard. Because it's a convenient line.
We have to finish this killing each other.
Who's killing each other?
You're all killing each other, keep bombing each other's villages.
Do we carry out terrorism on them?
Well,
name one Indian terrorist group.
Well,
One minute. Name one Indian terrorist group which is operating in Pakistan. Then why are you trying to create... 1 minute, Mr. Rishi Kapoor. You are trying to create a moral equivalence that both of us have shared responsibilities and hence both of us are responsible for terrorism. It's not. As a responsible Indian, the least that you should do is take a line and agree with the position that your country is the victim of terrorism. Was 26/11
You are going to details and nitty-gritties
Why
of
should I
things.
not go
मैं
into
कह रहा हूँ कि ये जो हमारा झगड़ा है, ये झगड़ा कभी ना कभी तो खत्म होना है.
It's not a jhagda.
तो go and sit
By
across the
calling it a
border and
jhagda,
sort
you
it
are
out.
demeaning it.
You have to sort it
It's not
out.
a jhagda. How is it a jhagda?
You've gone into war.
How is it a jhagda?
5 wars.
No, how is it a
country.
jhagda? It's not a jhagda.
Then what is it?
It's terrorism. There's a difference
Well,
between
you've
terrorism
given
and
it
a
a name
jhagda.
today, terrorism. आप जो भी कहिए मैं बोलता हूँ terrorism का झगड़ा.
Was it a jhagda between America and Osama bin Laden? Was it a jhagda? Would you have said this there? Let's sort it out. Go and have talks with Osama bin Laden.
Well, then they sorted Osama bin Laden. They went and took him out and weeded him out. आप भी वही कीजिए. आप क्यों नहीं करते? अगर आप में हिम्मत है, आप में दम है तो आप वो कीजिए.
Problem is
I'm just sorting out कि जितने भी आपके सिपाही हैं, मर रहे हैं, लोग वहाँ भी मर रहे हैं, हमारे मर रहे हैं.
Constantly pro-Pakistan.
Women, you're insisting on women to become
this
widows.
country which has given 1 minute. This country which has given you everything. This country which has given your 1 minute. Sir, please let me come.
Dramatizing
I'm not
it now.
dramatizing.
Yes, you are dramatizing
I am asking you a straight question.
You too इतना यार drama
This country which has given you everything, your generation above you of Kapoor's everything, generation above them of Kapoor's everything, and above and above and above. Now the fact of the matter is that towards this country you have to have a certain loyalty in your position, that you don't contradict the Indian position. Tell me one Pakistani artist, one star or superstar in Pakistan who embarrasses his own country on Twitter or social media.
I don't want to know about that. I'm just saying,
No, but name one.
sort out the differences. I'm saying iron out the differences. You are making it dramatic.
It's not
आप इसमें मिर्च मसाला घोट रहे हो कि ये you must be loyal to your country. I'm the most loyal person of my country. I love my country. Today, whatever my parents or anybody, my family is because of this country and because of the people.
Yes. Then why do you take a pro-Pakistan
I have to. How many more videos will you see? How many more orphans will you see? मरे जा रहे हैं लोग. आप लोगों को पसंद नहीं है ना? Body bags keep coming from your
I don't like
border.
it either. But
no,
I
don't like it. It's very sad to
but
know.
1 year after the Uri strikes, 1 year after the surgical strikes, you said, and I actually felt very shocked.
Well,
I 1 minute.
ऐसे बहुत से होंगे आगे भी.
नहीं मुझे बोलने दीजिए. No, I felt very shocked. You said in a tweet, you said, my plea is please consider Pakistani players in the IPL. I mean, it's insensitive. It's inhuman for a celebrity like you to demand that. Why should we sit and give employment to a country that has only bled our civilians and our jawans, and tell me one Pakistani star who takes an anti-Pakistan position? You avoided my previous question as well. And
I don't even know if they have any stars in Pakistan, please. I know they have some actors who are very popular
So
with me.
name one
I do not know them. And I may just add that if I did say that, I meant it with full integrity that जो हो रहा है वो गलत हो रहा है. Nothing but than that.
No, you didn't say that. You said that the Afghanistan team should take Pakistani players so that
Afghanistani
we see...
team?
Yes, you said Afghanistan makes a debut. Do you not know what you say?
No.
11:30 p.m. on the 4th of April 2017. How can you come on my program and say, did I say that? Did I say that? Second time on your program.
How can Pakistan play for Afghanistan?
That's what I wanted to tell you. No?
Afghanistan is a team which we recognize.
I really tell you one thing. I don't think you understand the significance of what you're saying, because this particular tweet was liked by 8,758 people, and at that 1 second, more than 4,000 people were talking about it. You said IPL, you got world players. Afghanistan makes debut. Please consider Pakistani players. फिर match होगा. हम बड़े लोग हैं. Please. What kind of statement is this?
Why? What's wrong with it?
You have what's wrong with it?
Yeah, what's wrong with it?
Pakistani players are not allowed in the IPL.
Why?
You want to give them a backdoor entry
There was a time when actors were banned also. There were actors who were working. I worked with Fawad Khan. I worked in Fawad Khan.
So, did you ever tell Fawad Khan to take a position?
No, but
to a country that gives
I'm nobody to take a position.
Why not? This is the problem.
If I can work with a Pakistani actor, why can a Pakistani cricketer not play?
The fact is that all in Bollywood have a conspiracy of silence mode. They have a conspiracy of silence when it comes out to speaking about
I'm sorry, I don't.
Bollywood does not take a position on anything.
No, why? I don't. I just felt you see, these are only, I'm only trying to make peace. The endeavor is, मेरा जो basic thought है, is this way only we will make peace.
I don't get it. On the one side, everybody from Bollywood says, don't talk to us about politics, don't talk to us serious issues, we are stars. And on the other side, when you say something like that, you say, I'm just trying to make peace. Are you not cognizant of the reality that is going on?
Who told you actors say that?
Everybody does that.
Who's the everybody?
Who's the actor who's ever taken a position on a serious issue? I don't know of a single actor, actress, anyone, personality in Bollywood who has taken a position on a serious issue. And let me tell you, you're not the only ones. When has Sachin Tendulkar taken a position on an issue concerning cricket? When has Rahul Dravid done it? When has Anil Kumble done it? Just like there's a conspiracy of silence, there is an establishment of cricket. And think about it. There's an establishment in cricket that says, you know what, we've reached a position where we now need to be part of a cozy club, a nice establishment. We are happy, we are taking care of each other. Who the hell cares what's going on? Similarly, let me tell you, when did Bollywood ever talk about the casting couch? Give me one star. This last week, I was shocked, Rishi Kapoor ji, when Saroj Khan justified the casting couch. She says that at least it provides livelihood. We don't rape the girl and leave her. We provide her employment. In other words, trying to say that a struggler, a girl in Bollywood can be sexually exploited as long as a few bucks are thrown at her.
See, those are...
I know what you'll say.
Defending, I'm just saying...
I know what you'll say.
Those are words... These are not words. The choice of words are wrong.
No.
And it was a little...
that's
it was very crass of her to say that. She shouldn't have said that. She didn't mean it that way.
How do you know she didn't mean it that way?
Well, I worked with Saroj a lot. I know very well. And perhaps what she said was wrong, but she could have chosen some better words and frame it the other way.
Then why does the Rishi Kapoor use as F and B? Please not say, please shut up, Saroj Khan.
No, that's not the equation.
Why wouldn't you?
No, you are mixing things.
No. See, you will talk about giving away POK. You will talk in the way that you want. You'll say, मैं खुलम खुला बात करता हूँ. You'll use the language that you want. When it comes to taking a position on issues concerning your industry, then you become politically correct. Why?
I'm not taking up any issue.
Why are you politically correct?
I have never said that. And why do you say casting couch only exists in film industry? It exists in every profession in life.
That's no logic. I'm asking about the film industry casting couch.
No, I'm talking about it happens everywhere.
Now you're on the defensive.
I'm not on the defensive. I'm telling you a fact. By saying a fact,
it
doesn't become defensive.
You laugh about it. You know, we saw one. There was a film press conference, and there was Ranveer there, and there was, I think, Mr. Hirani, Vidhu Vinod Chopra was there last week, and there was this press conference going on, and Saroj Khan had made a statement. And my reporter, another reporter, I don't know which one, asked a very serious question and said, what do you think about the casting couch? And Ranveer, I like Ranveer. You know I like Ranveer. He said, my comment on this, I have never faced it. And then he starts laughing. And then Vidhu Vinod Chopra laughs. And then Rajkumar Hirani laughs. And they were all laughing and cackling and laughing and cackling. And you know, people across India were shocked. And people felt that, hey, here is a serious subject because you are all people in influence and power. If one of you takes a position against the casting couch, then some...
You think the casting couch will stop happening?
No, but somebody out there will see...
Come on, yeah.
Look at the way you're laughing about it.
Of course. You're
not even taking it
serious. You're being serious. How can you take it
serious? Serious.
Just because you take a stance, you guys are going to stop?
Yeah, why won't you take a stance?
I do, but it's never going to stop.
No, you don't.
It is never. Like she rightly said, Baba Adam ke zamane se chale aa raha hai. You are in denial right now of this.
So, क्यों चले आ रहा है?
But that is what...
Because ना Bachchan साहब ने, ना Rishi Kapoor साहब ने, ना...
अरे हमने stance लिया होता तो क्या कर लेते हम? It happens in every nook and corner. Are you going to say the amount of rapes that are happening in India? Today, whenever I open any newspaper, I only read rapes.
Talk about your industry.
No, I'm talking about the happening all pan-India.
talk about industry.
Why industry? It happens
Why
in every
talk about
industry.
industry?
Why? I'll talk about every industry. Why
You are
industry?
totally bindas otherwise, but when it comes to industry, आप बिल्कुल
Please,
defensive
no,
politically correct
बिल्कुल,
होता है.
it happens everywhere. What are you talking about? There's nothing that shocks you that's only happening in film industry. It's happening everywhere. You see youngsters. I mean, it's sickening. It is really sad.
You know what is sickening? You know what is sickening? An 11-year-old girl.
Exactly.
1 minute. 11-year-old girl came backstage, and there's Papon, singer from Assam, my state. I know him. He was in the campus around my time, couple of years junior. Papon, Angarag Mahanta, that's his name. Papon was a judge. It's a celebrity show. I think it was on a Z channel. He called an 11-year-old girl backstage. The girl was backstage, and then in that moment of conviviality, he pulled the girl towards her and he kissed her on the mouth. And this was, Papon is a very well-established singer now, right? He may not be Arijit,
that
but he's
is
one
sad.
level lower.
That
No,
is-
fact is, we made a big deal of it. Big deal. Subhash Chandra of Z came out and made a statement. And he threw Papon out of that competition. And there was outrage all over. You know, people were really angry. Not one person from Bollywood came out and said, hey, this is not done. Why is it not important to speak up?
I can't say for this. I can't say for others.
Why?
But I'm not even aware what you're saying. I didn't even know about this. Perhaps I must have not been in town or whatever. But whatever has happened, it's disgraceful. मुझे शर्म आती है अगर ऐसी दर्दनाक बात हुई हो. It is very condemnable.
But hypocrisy तो है ना.
We all hypocrites यार. You're also hypocrite. I'm also hypocrite. We all hypocrites. तुम कब नहीं होते यार. ये जिंदगी है बाबू. ये तो चलते ही रहेगा. But having said that,
No, now that
बहुत
you
दुख
call me
भरी
a
वाली बात
hypocrite,
है.
now that you call me a hypocrite, now that you which I contest, I'm not. You know, the thing is, what I feel, I say. I don't take two
You know,
public stances.
and you know what I feel. I say.
No, I don't think you're saying what
No,
you feel.
no, I
don't think you're saying what you feel even now.
No, I didn't
even
even
now,
know- I didn't even know what
even now, Rishi Kapoor, you are on the back foot. You're like, let me not say something which gets me into any more trouble
No, what trouble are you going to
before the release of a film.
get? No, what trouble are you going
Come
to
on,
get
give
before
it
release
away.
the film? Yeah.
Give it away. Then speak up.
No, but like what? I
Speak up.
didn't even know about this
Okay,
program.
so did you know that an 8-year-old girl was sedated and raped in Kathua?
Yeah, I heard that. I was in America that
Yeah,
time.
you
when
were
I
in
did
America
that,
about
yes.
it, and all of Bollywood came out and took a stance, and they carried placards. They're all very good. But when there was a charge and a complaint that a woman said that Karim Morani sedated and raped her. Karim Morani sedated and raped her repeatedly in Mumbai and in Film City in Hyderabad, after which he threatened her with photos. This was news reports which came out in April. At that point of time, who spoke up against Karim Morani? He's a producer. Why is it that the same film industry, isn't it food for thought, same film industry which talks about Kathua, ना Karim Morani पे बोलती है, ना सरोज खान पे बोलती है, ना पापोन पे बोलती है.
I'm sorry, I'm not married to this.
But hypocrisy तो है ना.
Well, it is like I told you, hypocrisy तो हर जगह है.
No, but
हर जगह है. We always have two opinions.
Bollywood has hypocrites now.
Why not? It's
How
like
much?
any other
Isn't
industry.
this hypocrisy? Haven't I just proved hypocrisy?
It is. We have our whole society is hypocritical here.
There was a charge of rape against director Mahmood Farooqi. There was a charge of rape
Who's
against
Mahmood
director Mahmood Farooqi. He was, I think, an assistant director or filmmaker.
Never heard of
That film. Well, you would have known of the film People Live. He was co-director of People Live, Amir Khan's film. At that point of time, entire nation was angry about it. Bollywood said nothing. Film industry said nothing. And कुछ भी बोला जाए तो फिर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री कहेगी देखिए हम एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में हम इसके बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे. अभी आपको और एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ मैं. बुरा मत मानिए, आपने मुझे हिपोक्रेट कहा, मैं भी आपको हिपोक्रेट कहता हूँ. मैं कहता हूँ ऋषि कपूर भी हिपोक्रेट है. और ऋषि कपूर हिपोक्रेट क्यों है? You're all right. No, you're not going to jump at me, right?
No.
Rishi Kapoor said, and he tweeted, he said, saw Hero partly on TV and thought it was slick and both Atiya and Suraj excelled as newcomers. Right? Same Suraj Pancholi has been charged with abetment to suicide for the death of actress Jia Khan in 2013. You don't talk about that.
Can be proved? No. There's no proof of the fact that it's that way.
In the Kathua case,
I'm sure the law will ultimately do what it knows
Hey,
best.
come on, now you're talking like a politician.
Arey, what politician?
I would
How
never
do you expect me to pass a
I would
comment?
never expect-
How do you expect me to
Ah.
pass a comment where something is not proved?
No, but you said
You just
I
compared
can't
something.
believe
No,
Rishi
you
Kapoor.
just-
You're
you
completely
said about
on the
hero,
back
you
foot
talk
now.
about-
I can't believe that the same Rishi Kapoor who began by saying I'll use the F word, I'll use the B word.
Yeah.
This is the kind of person that I am.
Yeah, yeah.
Now says the traditional line, which I'll tell you one thing.
But what
only
do
a
you want me to
politician
say?
should use. It's a politician's line.
अरे तुम
It's a
चाहते-
politician's
अरे
line.
किसकी
Law
भी
will
line हो,
take
मैं actor हूं, मैं हर
law will
जैसे
take
acting
law
करता
will
हूं।
law will
पर
take its
आप
own
मुझे
course.
बताइए
Law
आप
will
क्या
take it-
चाहते हैं
मैं
मेरे से?
चाहता हूं कि
जो
ये line-
कानून है
ये
अपना वो काम करेगा जो चीज है वो करेगी who am I to say who's guilty and who's not guilty
सबसे ज्यादा politically correct line है.
So let it
Law
be.
will take its own course.
Of course, that
आप
should be
ये
it.
line कैसे
How
use कर
can I say anything about Suraj Pancholi without knowing him? I commented about their work. I saw that film. I thought both of very very promising. और मैंने उनके लिए अच्छा ही लिखा. They are my like kids of ours, blessings देते हैं और क्या. अब आप कह रहे हैं कि उनका एक कोई केस में वो implicated हैं. To let it be known, let us come to a kind of a verdict, and then we'll see what it's like. आज आपका बड़ा मूड है मुझे कुछ पेलने का और अलग अलग
मैं क्यों पेलूंगा
चीजें अब अलग अलग चीजें बात करके मुझे बता
ये
रहे
देखिए पेलना ठोकना ये सब हम नहीं करते हैं. हम जर्नलिस्ट हैं, हम आपके जैसे बॉलीवुड स्टार्स नहीं हैं.
हम भी एक्टर हैं सर हम
नहीं,
आपके
मगर
जैसे
आपको
आप
क्या
जैसे
अब देखिए इतनी नेपोटिज्म है बॉलीवुड में और बॉलीवुड व्हेन द कंट्रोवर्सी अबाउट नेपोटिज्म ब्रोक आई कुड नॉट बिलीव इट व्हेन यू सेड देयर इज नो नेपोटिज्म इन फिल्म्स. मतलब आई डिडंट नो वेदर टू लाफ और टू क्राई.
Why?
देयर इज नो नेपोटिज्म इन फिल्म्स.
How?
Of course there's nepotism in films.
How?
And now you'll get provoked if I tell you the next thing.
tell
You're
me.
part of a biggest dynasty of family of actors.
जी.
Nepotism is ingrained in the Bollywood industry.
Okay.
And the fact is that star kids have a huge start when non-star kids have to struggle and go through the casting couch and XYZ for their first audition. Khulkar, at least you should have said there is nepotism.
What
But to
nepotism?
be no, now you're sounding like, I'm sorry. I'll tell you another thing. You'll either jump out of this chair or you'll shout at me. You're sounding like Rahul Gandhi when you say there is no nepotism or that we only get an equal chance, we have to prove ourselves. Come on, Mr. Kapoor. Please say on Nation Wants to Know today that you were wrong when you said there is no nepotism in films.
अभी बोल लिए अब तुम बोलोगे नहीं जब मैं बोलूंगा. नेपोटिज्म का मतलब आप कह रहे हैं कि आपको वो जो कुर्सी होती है वो आगे आपको एक जनरेशन देती है और वो काम चलाने के लिए. हमारा जो बिजनेस है फिल्म का बिजनेस इज बिजनेस दैट वी आर इलेक्टेड बाय द पीपल.
नहीं.
सुन लो यार मैं बोला अब तुम कुछ बोलोगे नहीं मुझे बोलने दो. You may get an opportunity, a break easily, but you have to prove yourself to be of worthy material, and that's how you become a star. There are many people in my family who couldn't make it as well. Probably were not lucky. Probably I got luckier. You have to prove. You have to be elected by the choice of the people. You can't impose yourself. ये कोई मेरे मालिक वाली बात नहीं है कि मेरे गुजर जाने के बाद में ये कुर्सी मेरा बेटा संभालेगा. Whether he knows the job or not. It doesn't work that way in films. Films, acting is what you are going to be liked. People will want you. Then you become a sellable commodity. Then you become a star. I just cannot impose myself on you just because I'm Raj Kapoor's son. I'm not getting work because I'm Raj Kapoor's son. Or Ranbir is not getting work because he's Rishi Kapoor's son. We have all proved ourselves in our own way. We've been probably lucky. It is not nepotism. हमने ज़बरदस्ती थोड़ी अपने में स्टारडम ली हुई है. ऐसे तो मेरे कितने मैं हर फैमिली में बता सकता हूँ जिनको मौका नहीं मिला. मैं कह हाँ हो सकता है कि हम थे शायद किस्मत हमारे साथ हो. लेकिन you have to prove it. Whereas in other places, I do not
Rahul
know.
Gandhi also says the same thing.
I'm sorry, I do not know what in which manner
Jyotiraditya
does he.
Scindia, Sachin Pilot, all of them say the same thing.
In which way do they mean? I am proving it. Now they should come and sit down with Arnab and prove it.
Elected by the people means what? Which break? Who proves? Does everybody get Bobby? Does everybody
What
get that
happened
role?
after Bobby? Okay, what happened
Does
after
everybody
Bobby?
get that role?
What happened after Bobby? Tell me.
You got the
I
role,
had to
no?
struggle for 2 years. Listen, I did not. I did
But
not
who
sleep
got
on
that role?
streets.
Who get
I
that
did
role?
not. I did
Who
not
gets that
starve. But I did get the break. Then what?
Huge break.
There are many people who get a break. Then
Who
what?
gets the break?
I don't want to name people. There are
gets
many
the break?
stars.
Name them.
No, all of them.
gets the break?
All stars and star kids get the break. Some films are successful. Some are not. But you have to run. I'm
That's
working in the
80%
industry
of
for
the run.
45
Isn't that
years.
80% of the run?
मैं 45
To get the
साल से
break
काम
is
कर रहा हूँ.
75% of the job?
No. You have to prove it. You know, admirably all over the years. You just can't say, "I got." Then you're a flash in the pan. You have to prove it in time that you are a sustainable star. You're a good actor, and go on. I've been working for 45 years now. I've done over 150 films, and I still feel I'm a student of cinema. I keep saying that to you. I'm learning every day. It's not that I've taken things for granted just because my grandfather was an actor, my father was an actor. No, we have all worked for it. I had a very nice statement which I used to have on Twitter that it read, what did it read? Like, I can't remember.
You
right
said, when you're talking about dynasty, let us talk about your favorite person, Rahul Gandhi.
I didn't say that. I want to talk about Rahul Gandhi.
No, but after Rahul Gandhi's controversial statement where he said India runs on dynasty, in Ambani dynasty, Kapoor dynasty, this dynasty, Gandhi dynasty, etc. You tweeted, you said, so don't bullshit people on dynasty. Don't bullshit people on dynasty. You have to earn people's respect and love through hard work and zabardasti, not zabardasti and gundagardi. Each generation of your family had a foot in the door. Nepotism had the biggest role to play. Now you can say that's opportunity, not nepotism. I call it nepotism. Have you ever, 1 minute, Rishi Kapoor.
Who was Prithviraj Kapoor for Raj Kapoor here? Raj Kapoor was the first star son. Nobody knows that. They only want to say Rishi Kapoor. मेरे से पहले तो मेरा बाप था star son. वो पृथ्वीराज कपूर का बेटा था. What break did he get?
Our generation के लिए easy होती है.
No, you're saying the wrong
For each
thing.
generation
We are elected. Yes, we may get one comfort zone is that we get chances equally, and the audiences also want to see. अरे वो star का बेटा है या star की बेटी है. I wonder how they are in the
How
film.
do you know
And
audience
that's a lot
wants
of baggage.
it? How do you know
There's a
audience
lot
wants
of baggage on
How do
those
you know audience
youngsters.
wants it?
Because we know it. We know we do.
इरफान को वो ब्रेक मिली थी 20 साल की उम्र में.
Who Irfan?
Irfan? Who Irfan? Irfan? The actor Irfan.
Yeah, what about him?
Did he get a break at the age of 20?
But did he try for a break in the age of 20?
No. How do you know he didn't try?
How do you know he tried?
What break did he get?
What he became a good actor,
entry
he
was
did it.
got?
He was a good actor, he survived.
He was a good actor, but he survived. Took time. He could have done many more films in that.
But that's your luck. You have to be lucky also. That you got to be at the right place at the right time. That is also very important. You just can't get it easily. Nothing falls in your lap easy.
Oh, no.
Nothing falls in your lap easy. And remember,
Ranbir says it exists in the film industry.
Let him say what he
Ranbir
wants.
says I am a product of nepotism.
How is he a product? What?
He said I am
He
here
didn't get a
today
break.
because my father got an opportunity because of his father. This is Ranbir's comment.
Yes, I said to you, you get an easy opportunity.
So then he's
I say
contradicting
आपको
you,
chance मिलता है. उसके बाद आप जिंदगी भर में एक्टर नहीं बन सकते कि आप राज कपूर के बेटे हैं. ये नहीं आप जिंदगी भर बोल कर नहीं यार राज कपूर का बेटा चलेगा वो. ऐसा चलता नहीं है. You go to time and again film. I had 4 flops after Bobby. I was zero, zilch. No, I'm giving you an example now. Let me explain to you. You probably might understand what I'm saying. I said, 4 मेरी पिक्चरें flop हुई. I was zero, and I was in a times when the whole film industry was taken over the action hero, and the whole romantic and musical period had changed. It was an action period, and to survive that onslaught was absolutely mad. I mean, I just couldn't do it. But yet, I fought for it. I didn't have it easy. Like I said, I did not starve. I did not have to sleep on the pavement. But I have struggled enough as much as my colleagues and my companions have done. I did it later on.
You were really competitive.
Yes, yeah, after that I was. I had to restart again.
What do you mean after that you weren't? Even then you were. No, because there was Rajesh Khanna on one side and Amitabh Bachchan on the other.
Yeah,
you were
exactly.
sandwiched in between.
No. I was never sandwiched. I was never measured up to them. Bachchan had changed the whole ambience and atmosphere of cinema. There was the angry young man. Action was the call of the day. No one wanted to see romantic films. No one wanted to see musical films. I was trying to keep my neck above the water. और जितनी मैंने कोशिश की अपनी तरफ से कोशिश बहुत मेहनत की बहुत अपने आप को मैंने काबिल बनाया and then I started hitting slowly into success films like Khil Gain mein and then came Laila Majnu which were impossible to those kind of films people didn't want to see they only wanted to see action
Then why are you?
This was my struggle.
Why are you angry at everyone and anyone? You are constantly angry about the new generation of stars. You don't empathize with them. You don't understand their struggles. You don't understand their problems. You're constantly intolerant of the new generation of actors. I've seen.
How do you say that?
As I've read your interviews and your statements, and I've observed you, and I've seen your tweets. And
You've got so much of training. अभी example दो ना बताओ क्या लिखा बताओ ना अभी
Intolerance तो है ना.
पकड़ा दे लो
Intolerance तो है ना.
मैं किस तरीके से मैं जो है वो बोलता हूँ मैं गलत नहीं बोलता my way of putting in words may be wrong.
Yeah. There is one comment. You said, I am observing that to become an actor, people say, I want to join a gym. Why
Correct.
join a gym?
Absolutely.
Why don't you join an institute where they teach you how to act?
Exactly.
This kind of patronizing.
No, exactly.
These are all patronizing.
Let it be patronizing. I'm a senior. I have to tell this.
Yeah,
to
but
youngsters.
you think there is only your generation knows acting and everybody else.
No, I'm saying. You see, I don't know why there's a
what do you mean by actors
there's a false belief that going to a gym makes you an actor. I don't know why.
Where is this belief?
But why is the belief?
Name the person.
But why is there a belief? I don't know. I'm talking about generalized. I'm talking about generalized. No, I'm saying all newcomers who haven't got a break as yet. I am telling you about people who have not got a break as yet. who are wanting to be actors, future actors. I tell them what out of my own experiences. You don't have to go to a gym to be an actor. You rather go to a film school to become an actor. It's not necessary that you have to take out your shirt to act.
But today, when you are getting good roles made for you, when good films are being made, why do you sound like such a bitter?
I'm not bitter.
Angry.
You are the man who is saying I'm bitter, I'm angry. I'm not. I'm doing my part of.
We are
my
all
bit.
mirrors of society. We give what society wants. We are all making garbage, and you are all getting.
That's good.
This is a typical Rishi Kapoor comment. You say we are all making garbage, and you are all getting garbage. Do you?
नहीं लोग कहते हैं.
What do you mean by?
अरे पानी पिलाओ यार. पानी नहीं है.
ये पानी
अच्छा ये हाँ.
Don't throw it at me. That's all.
No.
You said, I mean, I don't know. I thought good cinema is not dead. I thought Rishi Kapoor was getting good roles. And you are saying, we are all making garbage and you are all getting garbage. You know, what kind... I'm not asking you to be Mr. Bachchan and politically correct, but what do you mean by this? Is Bollywood become garbage?
No, I'm not saying, I'm just generalizing things because लोग जो चाहते हैं हम वही देते हैं उन्हें. और एक भेड़चाल हमारी इंडस्ट्री में कि जो फॉर्मूला या जो एक ट्रेंड सेट हुआ है हमें उसे फॉलो करना चाहिए. तो मैं इसके खिलाफ हूँ. लेकिन अब मैं देख रहा हूँ पिछले 2-4 सालों से ये हम इसके खिलाफ होते जा रहे हैं और वो टूट रहा है. वी आर गेटिंग इनटू अ बेटर जोन. लाइक I'd like to believe that the multiplex audience, उनकी जो sensibilities हैं, वो sensibilities एक ऑटो रिक्शा वाले ड्राइवर की नहीं है जो सिंगल थिएटर में देखता है. मल्टीप्लेक्स ऑडियंस 200-400 रुपये का टिकट खरीदती है, whereas in सिंगल थिएटर वो 40 रुपये 50 रुपये उनका टिकट मिलता है. और वो आज भी वही देखना चाहता है जो he has, what his sensibilities allows him. He doesn't want to think about a film. He doesn't have thought-provoking films or doesn't want to have anything. Whereas there's a multiplex audience which is vast in this country now, which is huge, humongous business. There is as well, is welcome to all kinds of cinema. I'm seeing good films like Hindi Medium, Hitchki, let's say Newton. All these films are being accepted. ये कभी possible नहीं था आज से 4-5 साल पहले. लोग इन फिल्मों से दूर भागते थे. It used to be suicidal that you made these kind of films.
I agree.
So at least we are breaking new ground. हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं. देखो, after all, business of film also is a business. There is arithmetic, there is a math involved in it. कि जो आप लगाओगे उसका आना तो चाहिए. And ऊपर से अगर आ जाए तो better है कि रोजी रोटी चलती है लोगों की. So people have this thing, make what the common man wants. If we keep making what the common man wants, that's what I say, the garbage, which is happening. Do you know at one point of time when I was a hero, at my point of working, every hero of that point of time, every hero, all of them, each one had minimum 3 to 4 films only based on lost and found. कि फर्स्ट रील में गुम जाना और लास्ट रील में विलन को मारते हुए गाना गाते हुए मिल जाना. एंड ऑडियंस यूज्ड टू लैप इट अप. उनको अच्छा लगता था, तालियां बजती थी. अब वो बना के दिखाइए. The audience is not prepared to accept this. Amazing. There is so much of exposure, social status, social status, internet, Wi-Fi, exposure to world cinema. So you want better stuff.
You just said that to provoke, right?
No, just to tell you and to educate you on this.
So when are you joining the BJP?
I'm not politically bound. Do you think I may be politically?
I think you're political.
No, I'm not.
I think you're political.
No, I'm not. How do you can say that?
Just, I mean, following the...
No, I respect all people. Hang on.
You are a... I mean, listen.
Well, I was against even BJP when they banned the beef. I was against the BJP when liquor was banned in Bihar. I said it's wrong. You see...
you are a supporter of Narendra Modi.
Yes, I like the man.
You are
I certainly like. Yes, I know. I like the man. I like the man. I like what he's doing, and I like what he's doing internationally. I like what he did in China.
Because I saw you had a Twitter conversation with the Prime Minister.
Well, he happened to.
He responded to you.
Yes, thank you very much.
And there was, I think.
The common bond was R.D. Burman.
There was a song.
Yeah, they played my song. From Ye Wada Raha, they played that song. The musician.
What is that song?
I don't remember. Tu hai wahi jo jisne kaha. It is from Ye Wada Raha. And I said to them, the Chinese artist played that song when our Prime Minister and President was there.
When and then, in front of Xi Jinping and Modi, they were...
Yeah, and then Modi ji responded that we must give credit to Pancham, who was the actual creator of that song. That was that.
And then, you know, you tweet a lot about Nirav Modi. You say a lot of skeletons in the cupboard, lots of hands and gloves.
Yes, that is very sad.
And you
very
obviously don't have much respect for Rahul Gandhi's abilities.
No, I do have. I mean, he's
let's
younger
be clear.
than me. No. Well, I respect even the Congress of past, the earlier Prime Ministers, Jawaharlal Nehru, Madam Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi.
But you're a Modi supporter, like you.
Well, that doesn't make me an aspiring politician or whatever. I'm never interested. I'm the worst candidate for any kind of politics.
Why is that?
Don't you? What are we discussing last 45 minutes?
I swear.
You would. I'll legalize everything.
You would be, Rishi Kapoor, the biggest liability for any political
So that's
party.
what I said.
You would be the single cause of doom for any political
That's
party.
the thing. I'm not an aspiring politician or whatever. I'm happy in my space. मैं खुश हूँ. मैं एक्टर आदमी हूँ. मैं लोगों का दिल बहलाना चाहता हूँ. उनका वक्त बहलाना चाहता हूँ. बस ये मेरा फैमिली बिजनेस रहा है और चाहता हूँ कि फैमिली आगे बिजनेस आगे भी रहे. That is all that I care about.
Well, you know, I'll tell you one thing. There's a limitation of time on the program, as I could have gone on. One thing is, again, much junior to you, sir. When you came up with Bobby, I was not even born. So I'll go back to that, but I'll say this.
You're so young?
Yeah, I was born on the year that Bobby released.
Okay.
So that's not young. Young by today's standards is much younger, right? The point is this, that I find you a remarkable man because you're unapologetic. I hate the language which you use. You should not use this language with women, but who's to tell you? You will not reform till your very last day. You'll be what you are. I find it fantastic that you've got great momentum going. And I felt that, you know, after Do Duni Char, especially the last 6-7 years, and I don't know many people, maybe besides Mr. Bachchan, who after the age of 60 come into a strong second innings. And I think that's beautiful. What you're doing. I don't know whether it was pre-planned or whether you actually disciplined yourself.
You can't plan anything yourself. Like I just told you.
Because you said, no, first 25
Cinema
years I was only
changed.
being a lover boy.
Yeah, cinema has changed.
Yeah.
You know, like I just explained to you, the multiplex audience. These are the wants of that audience. That is why I am getting a job.
Yeah.
Because writers are thinking of new thoughts, new films, new angles. Otherwise, a film which is releasing, or rather releasing today, of my film called 102 Not Out, it can't be made because it doesn't have any young star.
Yeah, but in today's day of Netflix and Amazon and everything, would you not want to play one? You know, like you said, I'm over the hill for being a lover boy, and then all of this happened. That was claustrophobic for you to be boxed into that role at that point of time. Now that you're doing this versatility, I sometimes look at a person like you, like when you walked in today, I thought that should you not be looking at 1-2 major international assignments so that your talent and your body of work, your versatility, all that you've learned, the mistakes you've
Nobody
made.
recognizes me internationally. I'm only known in my country. Now you see, as you see me growing a beard, it's for a film. It's not that I'm happy to grow a beard for any reason.
You play a good Italian mafia don.
No, thank you. But the fact remains that...
With bad language. Bad language would come naturally.
The Don only uses bad language.
That's
I'm practicing. You see, I'm doing that. You didn't know. I'm practicing for that role, you know. So anyway, मैं तुमको बता रहा हूँ ये कि ये वक्त हालात बदल गए हैं, इसलिए हम जैसे एक्टरों को काम मिलता है. नहीं तो ये कभी भी होना नहीं चाहिए था 10 साल पहले. I retired at the age of, forcibly retired myself at the age of 46, 47.
Yeah.
When I stopped working as
What was the
a
last
leading man. Last film I did was a friend of mine called Karobar. That was in 98. But you know, then I thought I'm pushing the envelope too much and I don't want to, you know, impose myself. इससे पहले कि मुझे audience
went
मेरे
away
को
for
बाहर
over a
निकाले.
decade after that.
And I felt कि audiences मेरे को इससे पहले कि audience मेरे को बाहर निकाले, मैं अपने आप ही नमस्ते बोल देता हूँ कि भाई यार, thank you, I've served you enough. 25 years I've played. So I've had a happy life. I've done hard work.
True.
I am very happy with what's happening and happening space. अगर आप समझते हैं कि अगर मैंने गलतियाँ की हैं तो मैं आपको सुधार लूँगा. ये आज आपके यहाँ मेरे आपके साथ बैठने का एक बहुत सही एक वो हो गया कि मैं शायद अपने आप को सुधार भी लूँ और कल जब मैं आपको सुधार लूँगा तो I'll give the credit to you.
Then there won't be any headlines. But I love talking to you. I think you're in a great space. I wish you all the luck with 102 Not Out.
Thank you very much. I appreciate. And it's a good thing that you talk to me about this. I'll think about it, and
don't shoot
maybe
too much.
I'll change. Maybe
No,
I'll.
I don't think you should.
No, अरे इतनी देर बात की उन सबको पकाया
Except the F and the B, except the F and the B words.
But yeah,
everything's
they
fine.
are part of your everyday language today. Let's be very honest. It's part of your language today.
Acha, let's not go there.
Okay,
I
let's
thank
not
you
go.
very much for talking.
Thank you, Arnab.
And it's been a total pleasure.
Thank you. Thank you all.
I wish you luck. I wish you luck. I wish you lots of luck. Rishi Kapoor, go on from iconic film to iconic film. Speak to you soon. Thank you.
Thank you, Arnab. Thank you.
Maza aaya.